Bringing back the big sedan muscle car days with rear-wheel drive and rumbling V8 engine. That is the Scat Pack. That is the 2021 Dodge Charger. Each detail of the 20-inch wheels, stylish grille, and front bumper is designed to provide a rugged feel. The arch roof looks similar to and honors the 1966 Dodge Charger. All these features make the 2021 Scat Pack a striking car. The Charger's interior is highly functional with excellent front and rear seat legroom, huge trunk space, and the exceptional Uconnect infotainment system. So come take a test drive with me, Gary Oakey, in the 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack here at Northland, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram.